Hello, hi, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening. So I think last class we discussed about materials management, where we had discussed about document types, right? We'll see that one. One minute. This morning I'm facing this error. It is not opening. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so we'll try to go with document type. I think yesterday I explained what type of documents we can see in and what are the configuration we used to maintain for the document type, right? I'll go with IMG. First, I'll create document type for purchase requisition. For that, come to IMG. Materials management. Then purchasing, come to purchasing. Then purchase requisition, and just click on define document types, T code OMEB. And here so many document types is there, someone has created many document types are there, but we are going with NB. So let me search NB. Here it is NB. NB, this is a document type. For that document type, there is item interval, means serial number, and number range 0 to 5 is there, some has been maintained, and number range external. If you are using external number ranges, we can the system will take this from this number. Then this is a field selection. Field selection means screen layout. Okay. Now still now we were using this document type, right? This document type we are using. But here onwards, what we'll do, we are going to select this and we are going to copy, and we'll create our own document types and as well as number ranges and screen layout. Okay. So first we'll see what types of item category for this document we are going to use. So select NB and double click on allowed item category. So these are the item categories, like standard. If you are leaving blank, it's considered as a standard. K is there, item category is K. K stands for consignment. L is there, subcontracting. S, third party. U, stock transfer. D, services. So we are going to discuss all these things in coming classes. But for this NB, we can use this item category. Item category, while working with purchase order, we are going to use all this kind of item category in our purchase order. For that, we require many configurations. We'll discuss that one later. First, these are the item categories for this NB will allow. Right. So here, what I'll do, I'm going to select this one and click on copy, and I'm going to change R-NB, or you can give any type, name, any type. Okay. Then purchase requisition for company code RPL. And as of now, we not maintain any number ranges. Let it be 5 only. And in field selection key also we not maintain. Let it be NBB only. Once we created that, we'll come here and we'll assign that. Press enter. Okay, and click on copy all. Click on copy all. Okay, this much of entry has been copied to R.NB. 1 minute. sorry. Okay, enter and save this. Now the document type has been created. Now I will come back to main screen, and here I will go with define number ranges. I will click on define number ranges. T code is OMY7, and here click on change intervals, then click on insert line or press F6, and here I will need to give one serial number, like I will give R4. I will give. Let me check whether it is there. Yes, it is there. And again, I need to search for the material, sorry, numbers. Okay, 321 000000, and here 321 00099. Whenever I used to create the purchase requisition, my number should start with this, and here I am giving the range of 100. That is enough for practice, but in real time, on the basis of client requirement, they used to give the requirement, that is his purchase requisition or his purchase order or RFQ will be created in that particular number. So according to client requirement, we need to create. But here, practice purpose, we can maintain this much of ranges. That's okay. And again, here I am maintaining internal number ranges. I am not going to use external. As we discussed, what is the difference between internal and external, right? So I am not going to maintain external number ranges. Okay, save this. Now come back to main screen again, and here click on define screen layout at document level. T code is OMF2. Define screen layout at document level. And here the screen layout is NBB. Let me check whether it is there or not. Yes. Select NBB, click on copy and change to all.nbb, and description purchase requisition for my company code RPL. Enter and save this. Now I am going to check the field status in this screen layout. Double click on purchase requisition here. So these are the fields we are having in purchase requisition screen, like basic data, supplying plant, quantity and price, deadline monitoring, GRIR, control, reference data, administrative data, and delivery monitoring, end of fields. So double click on basic data, and while creating purchase requisition, these are the fields which comes under field label, like plant, item category, storage location, all are thing comes under this basic data. Like plant, it's a mandatory, means it has been selected as required entry, and purchasing group also it is in required entry. On the basis of your requirement or client requirement, you can change the settings. But here I am not going to do any changes. Okay, and click on next group, and here supplying plant, again it is in optional entry. Then quantity and price, again these are the field labels we are having in quantity and price, and these are all in optional entry. Next, deadline monitoring, like requisition date, then delivery date, release date, all are in optional entry. As I told you, on the basis of your requirement or client requirement, usually this requirement will be given by our customer or client. On that basis, you can change the settings. Then next, GRIR control, violation type, GRIR indicator, like that, these are all option entry. And reference data, purchase requisition, info record, requisitioner, and all this are in optional entry. Next, administrative data, release, promotion, deletion, indicator. Again, many fields are, or maximum fields are, almost all maximum fields are in option entry. As I told you, on the basis of your requirement, you can change the settings here. But while practicing, maximum you need to maintain in option entry. That will be the better, because what will happen, if you are having the data, you can fill it up. Otherwise, if you are not having the data, if you assume that you selected document type as a required entry, but you are not having the data into or within your database. So what will happen, the system will not allow you to save the data or save the configurations. So that's the reason it is better always, or maximum you can go with optional entry. Next field, that's it. Okay, now I'm not going to change any settings. I'm going to use the standard settings, but I copied from standard and I created my own field selection key. Now I created number ranges, document type, come out from this one, save this, come out from this. Now I created number ranges, document type and screen layout. Now I need to merge all these things, or I'm going to link number ranges, screen layout with document type. Number ranges, screen layout with document type. So I'll go with define document types again. Okay, I created my own document type. This is my document type, right? So I'm going to assign my number ranges and my field selection. R dash NBB, it is not there. Okay, or dot NBB. Okay. Now assign the document types with number ranges and with screen layout. Save this, enter and save. Okay, now I created my own document types and number ranges and document. I need to test it, right, whether it is working or not. Okay, I'll go with easy access and I'll try to post purchase requisition. For that I'll go with easy access, logistics, materials management, purchasing, purchase requisition, MA51N, create. And here you can find our document types like R-NB, right? Yes, this is my document type for purchase requisition. Okay, here I need to input the material. I created my material. I'm going to use search option to find the material. I'm going to find the material by using plant. RPP1 is my plant. Enter. And we are having two materials. One is spare parts and second one is raw material. I will go with raw material. And here I'll mention the quantity of the material. Say 100 quantity I required. Then when we are expecting the delivery, say 7th of March. Material group RPL MG, plant RPP1, storage location RM. Enter. Okay. Click on check. There is no error and save. Purchase requisition has been created, right? What are the number ranges we maintain in the background that has been displayed here, right? So my own document types and with my number ranges with the screen layout. The standard screen layout we use, and we didn't change anything in the screen layout. we just copied the screen layout from the standard one and we were using the same thing, right? So this is all about purchase requisition. Purchase requisition. Right. Check if Excel is opened or not. Just a moment, I will check with that Excel sheet whether it is opening or not. Okay. So here also we are having some problem with softwares. I'll trying to do that one, but it is not opening also. Send a notice in meeting. Okay. When it is opening.
ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕಿಂದ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು, ಮತ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕಿಂದ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ಗಳು ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಕಳಿಸೋದು ಆ ಲಿಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೆಳಗಿಂದ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಮಂಡೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವೇದ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎನಿ ಡೇಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ